Mac, I've got a quick question. I opened an account with MIG. Did I jump the gun? You know what? You've got to be very careful about going live, as I call it, early. The main thing that you want to keep track of, Rick, is that you're making money on a demo account, okay, with actual orders in the market, not looking back and saying, well, I would have done this, I would have done that, where you actually can track it and you can move forward as things progress. The worst thing for you is to try and trade live without having some kind of base to go from. Hazel, I haven't been able to get Fibonacci lines on my charts. That, if you review disc number 2, that'll help you out there. Are we to bring our own laptops to the summit? Yes, if you want. What program do I need to be able to mark pennants on my charts or write on it like Mac does on the discs? That's a special program that only works for these screen capture videos. It's a product called Camtasia. Will there be any staff members at the summit to I am hungry, I just said stomach, to explain technical problems? That depends. Depends on what technical problems you're talking about there, Hazel. We'll do our best, but again, we are not software support. We're here to talk about trading. So it depends. Just let us know. We'll try and help you out. Next up, I have 3 monitors and trade the S&P minis, day trade. I'm currently using Realtick software and use fib retracements of my trading system. Can I use Realtick for this? Absolutely. Realtick is actually a phenomenal platform. I've used it in the past. I just stopped. To be quite candid with you, it's because I am cheap. But Realtick is phenomenal, great program, as is an application called CQG. I discontinued using that as well because, well, I already said it. I'm cheap. So I prefer TradeStation and Ensign in those regards. Okay, Barry has a series of questions. He's having some trouble getting the videos. You know, that's just email. Email is a real hassle. Most people, the way they view email is that you send it, it gets delivered to everybody on the planet. And I can tell you, having being on the business side of things with email, it's very unreliable. The best bet is to check the members area between 7 and 9 p.m. Eastern time in order to get the videos. Is there a way to draw tunnel patterns on MetaTrader? Not directly. Let me go ahead and bring in, here's MetaTrader. The way you can draw the tunnel pattern on MetaTrader is you draw one line here. Okay, that's going to be your A to B. You draw the B to C retracement, and then you come up and you draw the line again from A to B. So you should have 2 lines over here. Click on it once, you see how the 3 boxes come up, and now move this over, and there's your tunnel pattern. Okay, that's the best way to do that on MetaTrader. It's quick, it's easy, very simple. Justin has a question about the time zone. MetaTrader generally defaults to London. I have no idea how to set it to any other time frame. I've looked into it briefly. Best bet, pick up the phone, call your broker, and ask them. If there is a way, then I'm fairly certain that they'll be able to tell you. Okay, and then William has a question about the lot sizes. Let me go ahead and move MetaTrader over here, and we'll just place a new order. Okay, if you have a regular lot, then what you're going to notice is that when you place volume of 1, and I'll go ahead and just buy here. Okay, so order was successful. Now